and welcome to today's What I Ate in a Day. I'm currently just making myself a cup of tea because I haven't had one in like 4 or 5 days because I didn't have any sugar. I'm not the biggest fan of sweetener. It just doesn't taste the same, so I've just not been having cup of teas. So yesterday I went and bought some sugar, and today I'm having a cup of tea. Today's video is all going to be vlog style because we love a good vlog style eat with me, what I eat in a day video, and today is no different. We're going to do the exactly same thing. I'm gonna try and do it in like more of a creative way, but we'll just see, you know, later down the track when it's like, you know, 5 o'clock and I really just want dinner on the table to just eat, it may be different, but for the morning, we will try our best. So I'm obviously having my cup of tea, and I always use almond milk. I don't have cow's milk anymore. I know everyone may be a little bit confused on what I do eat and what I don't eat, even though apparently you guys don't care what I eat, but I kind of want to just let you know what I do and what I don't. Almond milk I am still having. I am not going back to cow's milk. Cow's milk to me is absolutely disgusting, so almond milk it is. I recently just came out as a vegetarian that eats very minimal animal products instead of being a vegan. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave my video up here so you guys can go find out what the hell I'm talking about. What do you want for breakfast this morning?
Porridge.
You want porridge?
Yeah.
Will you eat porridge?
Yeah.
I might have to make it cold for your throat. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But you want porridge this morning?
Yeah, so make cold in the fridge.
Oh, okay. Do you want blueberries in it?
No, it's just don't make it.
Blueberries or strawberries or both?
Both.
Of course you want both. We are having porridge. I've decided to do it over the pan today, and we are going to have a nice porridge with some fruit. So I'm just going to get some water, put it in my pan, and then put some oats in it. You know, this is real life when already I have reheated my drink once this morning because I just left it. This is what you call YouTubing, mothering, downright just forgetting your drink. But it's time to eat food because we actually are heading to the beach this morning to go for a nice stroll with a friend of ours. It's now 10:30 and I am feeling very hungry, so I was just going to make a snack, but I've just decided I'm going to make my lunch instead, just because by the time I finish like preparing it and cooking it and everything, it will be like almost 11 o'clock or just past 11 o'clock. So I thought I would just do it now and then just eat a snack at like 2 o'clock if I'm hungry again. So I'm going to make falafels. I think I'm also going to put some roast potatoes on. I wanted to put pumpkin on, but I just noticed that I don't have any pumpkin in my fridge. But we're gonna do like broccolini and corn and all of a bunch of other stuff. I know you guys can see my dishes behind me still. I haven't put them away yet this morning. I really need to. I probably will once I'm cooking lunch. Okay, so for my food, I am using a potato, broccolini, some falafels. I've also got a can of a can of beetroot, and a can of baby corn. So all I need to do is cut up my potato so I can put it in the oven, and then I'm going to put my falafels in the oven with them too. I'm back in my pajamas because, like, why not? It is now 5:30, I'm pretty sure, or 20 to 6, and I'm just like, hey, let's just get in my pajamas because I do most of the time after 5 o'clock anyway. So back in my pajamas. Are you gonna help me with the pasta tonight?
Yeah.
You wanna come and help mommy now?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go cook some pasta.
Oh, I want to cuddle.
Oh, you want mommy to cuddle you?
Oh,
Idea was to make lettuce cups tonight, but this little guy right here doesn't really feel like lettuce cups, and to be honest, he wouldn't eat them in the first place, and I just don't want to make 2 dishes tonight. That's the real reason why we're not making lettuce cups. So he said he wanted pasta, and then he said he wanted burgers, and I don't want to be going to the shops to go get stuff for burgers, so we're going to have pasta because we've got stuff at home that we can make for pasta. I'm not really liking the idea of pasta, but I'm not also liking the idea of getting out of my clothes and going to the shops just to get a couple of things for dinner. So for dinner, I've got my pasta. I'm using shells tonight. I've got my chickpeas, I've got garlic, nutritional yeast, and I've got my bolognese pasta sauce. Yes, this is open, and yes, it's half full because I used it the other night and only tend to use half a jar. So we're gonna use the other half tonight before it gets all gross. That I know confuses a lot of you guys is what I actually do with my chickpeas to make my bolognese mince. So what I do is I open the can, I will drain out the liquid that's inside, I will put them in a bowl, and I will mash them. With my bolognese pasta, I will add broccoli, mushroom, and some chopped tomatoes. But unfortunately, I've just looked in my fridge and I don't have any of those. So it looks like we're just gonna have chickpeas with some seasoning instead of having really yummy vegetables with it. But that's okay. It will still taste delicious.
My dad is ready. I want some.
Oh, that's the red sauce that goes on top.
I don't want.
You love this red sauce.
I don't want some red sauce.
Do you want some
Sugar?
Sugar?
Yeah.
You want some sugar?
Sugar. Yeah.
You know this is called nutritional yeast. Can you say that? Nutritional yeast. Oh look, it's yellow like cheese. Dinner's now ready. So we've got our water. We've got our pasta. We topped it up with the nutritional yeast and the dairy-free Parmesan cheese from Follow Your Heart. This is what our dinner looks like. I'm super keen to eat this.
This dad is coffee.
It is, Frederick. I'm actually so happy I decided to make pasta because now seeing it on my plate, I'm so keen to eat it. So we're gonna go sit down, we're gonna go eat this pasta, and I'm pretty sure that is going to be the end of this video because normally I don't eat dessert. So we'll just see. It may happen tonight. It may be some fruit, but it has been a couple of days and I'm editing this video for you guys and I totally forgot that I didn't do an outro. So here we are 3 or 4 days later doing an outro for you all. So I do hope that you enjoyed seeing what I ate, what we ate, because I kind of did show you guys a little bit of what Frederick was eating. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing what we ate for the day. If you want to see more of these videos, definitely let me know and I can do more of them for you. But until next time, we will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye.